Okay, so this is minced pork with
Some carrots.
and
Carrots, garlic, and onions. Yeah, this is the wrapper.
it's a green wrapper. I don't know. I can't take the filter off because it's foaming already.
Yeah. Don't do like that. And then we put 2 eggs.
I don't like eggs,
Yeah, you have to put the eggs. Okay,
but eggs are very important.
it's very important because
It has nutrition.
nutrition. Okay. Because it will make the meat stick together as well. So it's very important, okay?
Oh yeah, I'm swimming with a beam.
Today.
Yeah, so we have to go to Decathlon.
So you want me to prepare this one so that you have something to bring for your,
friends?
yeah,
But
with
I
your
don't know
friends in swimming.
I don't know if we're going to.
If they really come, right? Okay. Okay.
Pop.
Now let's do it now.
Let's put it in the wrapper.
Yeah, let's put it in the wrapper.
Take it one by one and make sure it's all raised thin. Don't take a big piece. Take a small piece.
Okay, and then put.
I wanna put.
Wait. Mommy will put it. And then don't do like that.
Go.
And then
We just roll it
make sure that you're going to make it equal.
equally.
Yeah, equally.
And don't put the
in
carrot
plates.
in. So now.
And then roll it properly. No. Wait, baby. You're going to roll it a little.
And then
And then
Do like
fold.
this.
Yeah. Wait, how did you know?
you always do that.
Yes.
And now we have.
Oh, but you have to make it tight, baby.
Oh.
You have to make it tight. Wait.
So my mom's going to do it because I did it wrong. But the next one I will do it. Okay, Mom. Okay, so
Make it a bit tight.
I think we need to do part 2 because we're running out of time here.
Make it tight like this.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Perfect.
Perfect. Okay, so
Okay,
my
okay.
turn here.
Okay, your turn.
And we're gonna.
Can I help you?
Yes. I think my mom needs to do the scooping and I
The
need.
scooping, okay.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3. What's that brass thing? I don't know.
Okay, stop first.
A little bit and
then fold it.
And then you make it. You roll it real tight.
But it's not tight.
I don't care.
Oh, no.
Okay,
Okay.
so we're gonna make another one. It's going to be more better than the last.
And then
Okay, so you get your roll, and then you put the meat right here, and then you scoop, and then you put, and then you roll. So first, make sure you have to do a little roll.
and then
so
stop and then fold
stop and fold the sides, both sides. Okay, both. You're not going to be doing one. You're gonna do 2, and then you roll. You continue rolling, and then you're done. And then you put it on your plate, and then when you're done already, you can fry it. Okay. So next one. Oh my God, it's ripped.
I'll help you.
Okay.
So you have to be careful in peeling it out. Okay.
Mommy,
Of course.
get the next later.
Because this is the fresh one.
Yeah, this is from yesterday. I said.
But actually, this wrapper, you can eat it. You show it.
Yeah, it's made from flour. Yummy. If you don't want to fry it, you have to fry it because.
If you don't want to.
But if you don't want it with the meat, that's okay. You can eat it. But for some people, they eat it with cotton candy, sugared cotton candy.
Oh, yeah. The Thai dessert, right?
Yeah, it's called sai mai, roti sai mai.
Sai mai.
Roti sai mai.
Roti sai mai. Don't you think it's a lot? You have to spread it equally.
Yeah.
It's not equal.
Okay. Put it back.
Put it back. Okay.
Stop, drop, and roll.
It's not stop, look and listen.
And then you have to make it roll it tightly, or you're going to make it unbeautiful like mine, or ugly.
Oh, but I think it looks better now.
Then yours.
And then after that, we will fry it,
I
okay?
think I prefer the white one than the green one because this reminds me of the Green Goblin.
The green goblin.
Under the bridge. The Green Goblin under the bridge. Have you guys ever heard about that story? I had that story. It makes me really scared. Because every time I see a bridge, I think there's going to be a Green Goblin.
Was it scary?
I think. And by the way, I like making stars. Do you guys
Oh,
think?
don't you think it's too much already?
Great, I have to put another one again. Oops.
Guys, you don't have to make it. You don't have to put that much because it won't be cooked. It will not gonna be easily cooked.
And then,
The wrapper is already burned, but it's not cooked yet, right?
yeah, okay, so we are ready to put our spring roll in the frying pan. And
Okay.
make sure it's really hot. So,
And then put the.
oil, how much?
You just put it.
I'm scared.
Wait.
I'll help you. Yep, I like it.
Put enough.
Put enough so make sure the oil goes in the circle. Okay, that's enough, Mommy. You're putting too much.
Okay.
You're wasting. Put it on low heat.
Mhm.
And now we're going to put our spring roll. Okay. I just put enough. I want to put. Oh, yes, please. I did it.
Wait.
All the girls come in.
I'll do it with my hand.
I want to do it with the tweezers.
No, baby. It's gonna.
Can I?
You have to put it.
No.
Oh, it's dangerous.
I don't want to get my fingertips like.
Yeah, because it's really hot. Come on.
Wait for it to be golden brown. And I'm eating it the one that's with the sugar.
And then you have to flip it out.
Golden brown
It's soon to be golden brown or soon to be burned. Pixie. It's smelly. Smells delicious.
Hey guys, we can eat it now, but we have to let it cool first, okay? Hey guys, we're going to drain the oil first. Guys, it's served.
It's ready to serve.
And let's see if it's burned. Oh, crispy. Soft and
But you have to wait it to be. You have to cool it down, okay?
cold.
Or you will be burned.
Look, it has sound. Guys, if you made it. So guys, how did I do?